Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. If you want to send your notes to someone through email, messaging apps, or social media, you can do it in just a few taps. So let's get started. First, open Google Keep on your phone. Now open the note that you want to share. Next, tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner of the note. From the menu that appears, tap on Send. Now choose the app where you want to share the note. If you do not see your preferred app, tap on More to view all available sharing options on your device. You can select Gmail to share the note through email. You can also choose messaging apps, social media apps, or any other supported app installed on your phone. Once you select the app, complete the sharing process as usual. Your Google Keep note will then be sent to the selected app or contact. So this is how you can share Google Keep notes on your phone. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro.